Yes, good morning, children. So here we can start a new chapter. As you learned about the birds in the previous chapter, this chapter, in the new chapter, we can learn some more thing. We can understand some more facts about animal behavior, animals. Yes, yes, Henry. Yes. See, maybe you are keeping some of animals as the pets, isn't it? Most commonly, cats or the puppies, dogs. Yeah, these are the pet animals. Yes. Wow. Is it a puppy? It is a dog, isn't it? Huh? Huh? How much old it is, Henry?
Two 2 months.
2 months. Is it only 2 months? Huh?
Yes.
See? Yeah, okay. See, belt is also there. Why, say, children, we can ask to Henry, why? What is the name of your pet dog, Henry?
Mickey.
Mickey. Okay, you like Mickey, Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse. Huh? That is why you kept like this name. Very cute. Very cute. Hmm? See?
It is a Labrador dog.
Oh, very good. Okay, see how it is beautiful eyes. Okay, so are you training it? So just,
Yes.
yeah, when you call its name, is it coming towards you?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let him to go to its place. Okay, so we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
start our class. Thank you, Henry.
Welcome.
Yeah. So I think you all become very excited by seeing the dog or pet dog of Henry, isn't it? Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
So yes, Dia. Yes, Dia. Yes.
ma'am,
Hmm.
my friend has a puppy.
Okay. Good. Varada.
Ma'am,
Ah.
that it said that in Stuart Little there is a cat and
Ah.
the same cat does he had.
Yes,
Like that cat.
yes. I am also a fan of Stuart Little. I also like to see that
A Persian.
the cartoon.
I think that is a Persian cat.
Huh?
I think that is a Persian cat.
Person cat, right? Okay, okay. So shall we start class? Okay,
Yes.
children. So here, Adi, what you want, Adi Dev?
My cousins have two dogs.
Oh,
One is 10-year-old and
so it may be a huge one, big one, isn't it?
one
Huh?
year old and me.
1 year old also. Okay.
And
So,
there has another cute puppy now. It's
ah,
5 months old.
oh, 5 months. So, okay. So here we are going to learn in this chapter, lesson 10, animal behavior. It is not to learn anything, okay? You have to understand, you have to discuss. But through the discussion, we can understand some of the facts about the animals, okay? Have you seen in nowadays in the newspapers also you can see after the lockdown nowadays the traffic through the Adirapalli route. Have you went to Adirapalli?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Okay, okay,
There are
okay.
so many
Ma'am,
gods
I go.
and there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Very
go
good.
swimming.
Oh, swimming. Okay. So here I know most of you might have visited that Adirapalli and that route, it is through the forest. So during the lockdown, as nowadays those old tourist destinations were closed. So most probably those roads were very lonely. Isn't it? Not that much traffic through that routes. So what happened? The animals which were there in those forest, it is coming out of the forest through on the road. Have you heard about this news? In the newspaper,
No,
sometimes in the
no,
televisions also
No,
you can see.
no.
no,
So
ma'am.
when
But I give one banana to one monkey.
In the
uh,
news, I
uh,
heard that. Ma'am, in
yeah,
the news, I heard that
uh,
that tigers are coming in this
yes, and
streets and
2
all.
days before in the newspaper, you might have so one
Yeah,
leopard, small leopard or something, right? Caught it in the
Tiger.
cage, which were kept by
Ma'am,
the forest.
grandmother, it kill it. Take a handy.
Ah.
That
So this whenever the elephants are coming to on the roads or roads, most probably they are coming in a group. Elephants, most probably, elephants are moving from one place to another through as a group. In the national television, National Geographic channel or Discovery, you have seen it, right? No, one group of elephants. What is the collective name of that group of elephants? Anybody? Herd. Okay. Yeah, herd. H-E-R-D. Herd. Herd of elephants. In the same way. In the same way. Deers. Deers. So that is also always comes in groups. But lion, tiger, these all are these all they want to be alone. Okay, they don't come out of the forest as in a group. So some of this is the behavior of animal. So in this chapter, we are learning in detail about Rohit. Please wait. We are going to learn in detail about the animal behavior. So horses. You have seen birds always.
Yes.
In the evening and in the morning, you can see a group of birds, isn't it?
Ma'am, it comes to my home.
Yeah. If we are seeing watching the sky, we can see in the morning and in the evening.
Ma'am, here are parrots and all.
Yeah, they are coming in a group. They are flying through the sky in a group. But if you are watching, you can see some pattern also there, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So birds, what is the collective name of that birds? Flock, a flock of birds, isn't it? So here we are connecting science and English grammar, isn't it? You learned, your English grammar teacher taught you about collective noun. So you have to, one thing you have to do it, take a chart paper and write the name of an animal and the collective name of that animal. Like elephant. What is the collective name of elephant? Herd. What is the collective name of birds?
Flock.
Okay. What is the collective name of deer? Herd itself. Okay, so some of maybe you learned it in the English grammar classes, but some of you have to search it. Okay, so it is an activity connecting English grammar and science. Are you ready to do it?
Yes,
Do you like to do it? Okay,
Yes,
very good. So what you want to do, children? Take a chart paper. And if it is possible, if you get the picture of a group of elephant, you can stick that picture on one side. And you can write it, collective name of elephant, herd, isn't it? If you are not able to get any pictures, don't worry. Just write the name of the element, the name of the animal. Okay, if you are able to get a picture, stick it. If you are not able to get, because nowadays you can't go out to get these pictures. Okay, I can understand.
I can print it in our home.
Okay, if it is possible only. Yes, Leia.
We can print.
See, I am not insisting to print it. If you are, if you can, if a printer is there at your home, and if your parents are allowing you to do that, okay, it is not compulsory. Sticking pictures of animal is not compulsory. That is optional. If you can do, children, listen first. if you can do, if it is available with your permission of your parents, what you have to do, stick the pictures of a group of animals and write down the collective name of that group. Okay, for example, elephants I told, deer I told, bison. Have you heard about bison? So yeah, bison. So that is also collective name, it is herd. And in the National Geographic Channel, you have seen zebras. When the zebras, a group of zebras are drinking water, one lion or one tiger may be aiming to catch them, isn't it? Huh? So when the lion come to that group, all will run in different direction. All will run fast. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yes, yes. So yeah. So you may be feeling pity on those animals, isn't it? At last, anyhow, the lion or the animal may manage to catch a small one, because small animals can't run fast. So that is their fate. We can't do anything. That is the law of nature. One must become the food for the other. That is
Ma'am,
okay. Yes.
ma'am,
So here
otherwise
the
the
activity. Listen, children.
deer
Activity.
will
Adinath, please listen. Here the activity. You have to stick the picture, or if it is not possible, no problem. You can write the name. Okay, name of the animal, then the collective name. Collective collective noun, isn't it? So horse, what is that? That also collective name is herd. And you have to find out what we can say a group of zebras, what we can say a group of camels. Likewise, some of you have to find out. Will you do it, children?
Ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Abel. Abel.
Ma'am.
Yes, what you want? What you want?
My grandmother's sister's house there. When my grandmother's sister throws some wheat to the kitchen, so many pigeon will come. The kitchen will be full of pigeon.
Oh, kitchen, the kitchen. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am.
okay, that is interesting, right? Yes, Rohit. Yes, Rohit.
Ma'am, I know which is the biggest cat in the world, Siberian tiger.
This not clear, Rohit, anyhow. Okay, so some of the animals always move from one place to another in groups, but some like lion, tiger, they don't want to be in group. Leopards, bear, so they are all alone. They want to live alone. So we can see it here. What is the benefits of living in a group? Who can see? What is the benefits of Leia? Yes, Leia. One by one. One by one. Okay, Leia, tell me.
We will be protected by other animals.
If we are moving in group, we will get some product. The animals will get some protection. So all will be small kids will be there in that group. So they see. I heard that when the elephant herd, when they are moving in a as a herd, as a group, if in that group small calves, elephant calves are there in that small group, in that group, the elephants will be can become dangerous. Okay, because they want to protect their kids. So if anybody move along with them, or if anybody wants to see them and all, they may attack that people. So whenever the elephants are there in a group, we should be very careful.
Careful.
There is a chance of attack from them. Okay, so first Leia told about the point. If in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. Their young ones are better looked after if they are in the group. They can look for food and shelter together. The animals which, so who will be the leader of that group at that time? Yeah. Leader, one should be their leader, right? The animal which it is strong.
Lion.
The powerful. No, not lion. That is if an elephants in the elephant group, how the lion can become a captain or a leader.
Elephant.
So in a group of animals, listen children, in a group of animals,
The strongest elephants will be the leader.
yeah, the strong, powerful animal will be their leader.
Leader.
So as in your class also, teachers are selecting the leaders, right? Those can do the things properly. Then they are selected for it. In the same way, so in a group, Adina, in a same way, in the group of animals, which one is strong and powerful? He will be the leader of the group. Yes,
Can I say?
Adidev, what you want?
When they all will run to different directions, the lion will be confused to catch which one of them.
Yeah. So at that time, they can run from that scene, isn't it? Run away from that scene. Yeah, that is why they are in group. So first reason we understood. What is the benefit? The animals will get protection if they are in group. Yes, Varada. Any other one?
Ma'am, if the elephant came to catch us, if we run in zigzag, they cannot catch us.
Yeah, that is that.
Once.
Okay. Yeah. So that is we discussed. Is there any other points? Prajwal. Yes, Prajwal. Say it some more loudly.
Ma'am, I see the in Animal Planet that if one lion cannot get enemies, then other tiger will come to catch one animal.
Okay. You are watching Animal Planets, isn't it? Some interesting things are there to learn about animals in Animal Planets. Okay. So another thing. So first behavior we learned living in groups. We learned about the benefits of living in groups also. In order to find the food, shelter, to take care the kids, they want to be in group. If the animals are there in group, they may get protection from the groups. And not only that, the leader can lead the powerful and the strongest animal in that group become the leader. The leader can intimate some danger if he sees it. So these are the reason why the animal prefers to be in groups. I hope it's clear. Next one, area making. Some of the animals may make their own areas. As you only can enter in your house, isn't it? Your family members can only enter in your house, isn't it? Any person that are moving on to the road, can he come into your house without your permission? No, it is not allowed, isn't it? In the same way, each animal, particularly some of the animals like lion, tiger, dog, these all are keeping some area only for them. So, most interesting thing is how the dog is keeping his area. You know how dog is keeping its area? He may urinate on that places. Okay, he may urinate on the borders of his area.
The trees, he like the draw.
That is not by that is also tigers are making some scratches on the plants or on the trees to make their areas. So the other tiger which sees this one, oh, I should not enter into that area. That area is someone else. So he can't get into that area. So why they are keeping in the same way, lion also making some marks on the particular areas. Lions can understand it, but we people can't understand that. We may get into their area and they may catch us, right? Okay, so one lion can understand which is his area. which is the other alliance area by seeing some signals. In the same way, by the smell of the urine of the dogs, the dogs can understand which is their area, where all should they go. So, why they are making like this? Have you thought about it? Have
Ma'am,
you ever thought?
ma'am, to
Yes,
not
Aditi.
To protect
not to get lost in the house after the house.
Sorry, Adi.
to
Not to get lost in the forest.
and
Going back to
and
the house.
Okay, Adi Dev, your voice
Ma'am.
is too low. I think I can't hear you.
To
Okay, just check
protect-
your increase
to
that.
protect-
Yes, Leia.
to
Leia.
protect themselves. So then other animals won't come into their area.
Yeah,
and
why
catch
they
them.
want? Why they want this? Why they should not? Why
Protection.
they are not allowing the other animals to get into their area? Why?
Because there will be food that they capture.
Yeah, where there won't be enough food to share. Okay, so each that is the law of forest law. Animals are keeping some laws. I should not get into your area. I may be here in this area only, so that what all food I am getting, I may eat. If other animals, other lion or tigers are coming to his place, means area, means they also may catch the rabbits, the deer, these all things. So nobody will get the enough food. Okay, so in order to make sure that each animal should get enough food, that is the law of forest. The animals are their own making laws, as we people have laws. Do do we have laws, children? Are we? Do we have to obey laws? Yes. In the same way, Sahal, sit properly. In the same way, these animals also have laws. So one of the law is area making. One should not get into the area of the other animals to make sure to get enough food for each animal. That is to make sure to get enough food for each animal. So if an area, if rabbits, deer, so many things will be, so many animals will be there. So maybe one lion is there, he can eat that. So just think, if one or two other lions also are coming to that place, will any rabbit or any deer or any other animal will be there? Will be there? If other lions also come to that place and if they eat that one, no. So each animal needs the food. So in order to get enough food for all, the animals are making some law, such as area making. I hope you understood this one, isn't it? So children, today you have to read the page 8 and page 9. Okay, will you read it? And, and I told you can do one activity also. Okay. Then now you are sitting simply at home. You have a lot of time. So what so you can find out, you can search and you can find out the collective names of animals, different types. At least 10 animals you find out. Okay. A group of 10 animals. That is enough. Find out that. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. So it will be very much beneficial for your future. When you are learning English grammar in the next years and all, you need these collective names, nouns. Okay. So, yes, Adidev.
Ma'am, I know the largest bird in the world.
Which is that?
It's a moa bird.
Okay. So if you get the picture of it next class, try to get it. Okay, we can show it in our class. Okay, so
Ma'am,
that
it's
others
died.
also.
Ma'am, it's not nowadays. It's not living nowadays. It was
Okay.
living in
Okay, children. So if you are able to do any PPT regarding this activity, that also can do. Okay, PPT is for PowerPoint presentation about the collective nouns. If you are able to, it is not compulsory. If you are able to do, you can also do. Okay, so shall I wind up
Yes.
today's class?
Yes.
Read the textbook. Okay.
Thank
I hope
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
you all enjoyed
Thank you.
today's class, isn't it? With Henry's pet dog. Hmm? Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.